Just remember that once a Clipper, always a Clipper. Anchor down and let's have a great Friday.
Can you believe there was only one broadcast of the morning announcements left?
No, I really can't. It's been a wild ride.
The last announcements will be seen on Monday, June 10th. You will get to meet some little people from our Clipper family. Stay tuned one last time on Monday. Congratulations to the following students. They were named Students of the Month for May. Griffin Harmon, Gavin Hawkins, Jose Hernandez, Danielle Kirby, Jaquan Reeves, Malcolm Reed, and Malik Taylor. Way to go, amazing students. Man, has the school store got a deal for you.
What do you mean?
They are having an end-of-the-year sale now until Tuesday.
What's on sale?
There are $6 t-shirts, $8 long-sleeve shirts, $15 sweatshirts, and sweatpants. You do not want to miss this chance to get some Bennett apparel.
Hey, did you hear about all the fees being waived in the Media Center?
Yes, I did. If you return your library books and calculators by 2:45 today, you will owe the library nothing for your late and overdue book. Get them in now. The new bowling league is off and running. Special thanks to Mrs. Murray for sponsoring and advising the League of Amazing Bowlers. We can't wait to hear who the bowling champion of Clipper Nation might be.
Do you know when the golf team is meeting?
Yes, I do. There will be a meeting for all those interested in playing on the golf team next year on Tuesday, June 11th, right after school in F113.
What if you can't make the meeting? Can you not play golf then?
You still can. Just see Coach Seabach in F113 to get the information. I'm talking to you, Landon Stauffer. There will also be an interest meeting for Unified Tennis on Monday, June 10th.
Wait, Monday? After school? Where should I go for the Unified Tennis meeting?
Go to D102 right after school and see Mrs. Morrow or Mrs. Ensner with any questions.
2 WJMB Journalism students were on a special assignment recently.
What do you mean? Where did they go?
They ventured into classrooms to ask students a variety of odd and interesting questions. Let's take a look.
Hello, JMB Nation! I'm Bride Neddy from WJMB, and this is I'm Lindsay Phillips. Okay, so we're on location, and we're here to interview JMB students in the flesh.
We want to find out all of your answers to our quickie questions.
Let's go find our first victims.
Stitch me back together, make me in.
What has been your favorite class this year, and why?
Mr. Davis's class, because we learn a whole lot in there.
What should be done with all the lockers here at Bennett High School? Burn them. What has been your best high school experience, and why?
My best high school experience was my friend Colin Hoffman winning first team all Bayside honors this year.
What is one invention you would uninvent?
Have you ever tried to eat soup with a spork? Well, it's insane. It's the worst experience you will ever have in your entire life. Do you know how much fluid?
Went through little holes in the spork. Do you understand? How easy? No, you don't. Because you just said you've never done it. Don't lie to me.
What is the purpose of the people that slam the chairs on the ground and clap every Friday in the lunchroom?
We do this not because we want to, but because we need to. This is a tradition for our school. It's like Christmas.
What do you guys plan on doing with all the lockers we don't use in school?
You should trash them because they're useless and make the hallways bigger.
We could use them to house orphans.
What is your opinion on the testing schedule?
I like days like today when I had to Murray so we can write essays for 2 hours.
So Maggie, what advice do you have for the sparkling individuals that like to hang out in the hallway during class?
They can't catch you if you run.
Thanks, Bryden and Lindsay, for that special report. At least now we have some ideas for all those unused lockers.
And that's all we have for you today, JMB. 4 days left, JMB.